Hey, June from Zeplin here. Today let's talk about components. A design system is only as strong as its reusable components. Designers and engineers need to work together to maintain a healthy codebase and a stable, scalable product by defining these reusable components. Components are elements of a living organism. They should all be documented in one spot and can be updated anytime. Today, you can export all your Sketch, Figma, and Adobe XD components to Zeplin, and they'll be listed under the Components tab of your project style guide. When you're in Sketch, you can simply select any number of master symbols and press the shortcut for the plugin Command-Control-E. After you install the Zeplin plugin in Figma, you can right-click anywhere in your canvas and select Plugins and click on Zeplin. Then, you can select the frames or components you want to export to Zeplin and press this blue Export button. If you have Adobe XD and Zeplin installed, you should see a menu item in the Export menu of Adobe XD. After you select any layer or artboard, you can select File, then Export, then Zeplin. Curating and maintaining components can be difficult. That's why at Zeplin we spent a lot of time to offer more organizational solutions and made it easy to house all your components in one spot. You can collect components under sections, and within these sections, you can create groups to further organize them. Now that we have all the components in Zeplin, you can use global style guides to organize your design system's colors, textiles, and components all in a centralized location. Let's hop into this web project and see how global style guides are valuable to your workflow. Here, notice when I click on this element, I get everything that you expect from Zeplin: technical specs, the typeface, and the RGB value. Now when I link this style guide with this web project, you can see a lot more information, such as the brand-approved typeface, the proper name for the color, and most importantly, you can see what components are reusable, which is indicated by this blue header. As style guides are linked to your projects, they ensure that designs are brand consistent throughout all your apps. Everyone on the team can clearly see the component names from within the design, which promotes reusability and collaboration in real time. With connected components, you will now be able to link components in your codebase to their design counterparts in Zeplin. After you set up connected components, you can start inspecting designs in Zeplin, and you'll be presented with a high-level overview of the component, including code snippets to initialize it, and links to any source of documentation used by your team, such as Storybook or GitHub. This high-level overview is completely flexible and can be tailored to your team's needs. Zeplin automatically collects your component documentation based on the platform and framework you're working with. You can customize the description, the code snippet, and add links to any source like your internal wiki or your design system documentation. Once you bring in all your components into Zeplin, it can drastically increase reusability, collaboration, and efficiency within your team. If you want to learn more about anything we went over today, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and let us know any feedback on how we can improve global style guides and connected components. See you in the next video, and stay safe and happy.